Hello students, welcome to the topic of screw thread cutting BSW internal right hand and left hand checking of thread by using screw pitch gauge and thread plug gauge. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to set the internal V-threading tool, cut internal thread by using an internal threading tool, match the internal thread with the external thread.
Materials and equipment. Tap and tap wrench. Vernier calipers or micrometers. Screw pitch gauge. Thread plug gauges. Deburring tools. Thread cutting oil. Process. Part A and Part B. Check the given raw material for its size by rough measurement. Hold the work in a 4-jaw chuck about 10 mm inside the chuck and through it. Face the end, center drill and support with center. Rough and finish turn the outer diameter, 40 mm to possible length. Chamfer the edge 1 into 45 degrees. Drill a pilot hole diameter 10 mm through and enlarge it to diameter 18 mm by drilling. Bore the drilled hole to a core diameter of part A 22.8 mm and part B 18.6 mm. Chamfer the bore 2 into 45 degrees mm. Fix the internal threading tool in a tool post and set it with the center gauge. Set the machine to 8 TPI pitch and the spindle speed levers to 1/3 of the roughing speed. Touch the tool tip to the bore surface and set the crossfeed graduated collar to 0. Rough and finish thread 1 inch RH and 7 by 8 inch LH BSW thread by giving successive cuts, ensuring the correctness of the pitch by checking with a pitch gauge. Check with the external thread mating part for the correctness of fit. Reverse and hold the work on diameter 40 mm and true. Face the end of the work and maintain a total length of 20 mm. Rough and finish turn diameter 40 mm for the remaining length. Chamfer 1 into 45 degrees on the outer edge and 2 into 45 degrees on the threaded bore. Remove the sharp edges and have a final check.
In this video, we learn about how to set the internal V-threading tool, how to cut internal thread by using an internal threading tool, and how to match the internal thread with the external thread. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.